To assemble the device, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. To fit the bracket, first remove the 4 rubber feet from the base of the fitness fan. Remove the supplied screws from the screw packet and keep in a safe place for future reference. Separate the 2 sections of the mounting bracket. Slide each part towards the centre, making sure both pieces are firmly joined together. To secure the mounting bracket, insert the provided screws into the 3 holes with a Phillips screwdriver. Do not over-tighten the screws. Attach the 4 rubber feet that were removed earlier to the mounting bracket. The threaded hole in the centre of the bracket can be used for a tripod mounting plate. The other 4 threaded holes on the bracket can be used for a monitor mounting bracket.